And hello world, hello math geniuses. Question 5 here. We are continuing through the questions. There are 12 questions altogether for grade 7, chapter 1, test 1. There are 12 questions. This is question number 5. Again, this is a choose all that apply. This one, the cool thing about it is that we have to read it carefully and see what is needed. Which expressions have answers that are negative? Which expressions have answers that are negative? So, math geniuses, we don't need to waste our time and effort evaluating these expressions and getting the final answer for each one of them. We just have to know whether or not the expression is positive or negative. So, we're trying to find out which expressions have answers that are negative. Let's go through them one by one. Let's go through A. We have, what do we see? What do we see with A? We have a positive being divided by a negative. So we have this evaluated first. A positive divided by a negative, that's going to be negative. Negative times a positive, so that gives us a negative. So that's negative. Okay, let's go to B. What do we see with B? What do we see with B? We see a negative divided by a positive, so that's negative. It's multiplied by another negative, so that is going to give us a plus. That's going to be positive. Okay, let's do C. We have a negative divided by a negative, so that's going to produce something positive, multiplied by a positive. Oh, that's positive all around. So that's also positive. Okay, let's see for D. We have a negative times a negative. That's positive. So, well, actually, let's hold off for that for a quick second. Let's not rush. Let's do what's inside the parentheses first and ignore that negative up front. Let's do inside the parentheses first. Negative 48 divided by 2 times 2. That whole quantity inside the parentheses is negative. But then there's another negative in front of it. So negative times a negative, that whole thing becomes positive. So that tells me that that's positive. And let's look at E. We have inside the parentheses is negative. Positive divided by a negative gives us negative. And so which expressions have answers that are negative? Choose all that apply. I am getting A and E. Again, this is Dr. K, and my job is to make you a math genius. Proud of you.